inclusive. Since it was given nga, diverse yun ang mga kuan. That's why there should be, as a teacher nga dapat is given ang equal justice ang iwang ikuan. Kasi nga, hindi pwede na isa lamang ang focus natin, hindi lang mga sorry. O diba, kaya diba, we're giving nga diverse. Si Apple, lalo siya kang Rachel. Si Oconda, lalo siya kang Kanumay. So, all you have to do, kaya diba, we have our goal. Ang atong goal is really para, hindi akong goal kay Cardillo, hindi akong goal kay Lumambas. Kana sa atong goal is isa lagi na siya for all. Ang ato lang challenge is that sa ilang sa kabilang ka ng pagkakaiba-iba, ay kailangan mo itong kailangan ito, kasi kailangan ng tanan is ma-achieve yapon yung ang goal together. No one will left behind. So, ana ang answer. And also, it is flexible. So, when we say personal philosophy of teaching, it must not be stagnant. So, hindi pasabot lang. Ito na yung personal philosophy of teaching. It can't be changed over time. Kasi you must be adaptable to the changes. For example, if you are a teacher more than 40 years, so therefore, nakaabot pa ka sa katong mga teaching na teacher-centered pa. So all you have to do is kabalo ka nga, dili na kayo siya effective kung mag-teacher-centered pa ka, karon nga days. That's why you must be flexible in your personal philosophy of teaching. And it also not stated nga dili na siya pwede mabago, kaya it's not written in the Constitution. It's just kaning intrinsic na mga philosophy na nasa imuha as a teacher mo na, i-change mo. So, kung outdated na kayong personal philosophy, wala na kayo integration sa technology, you try to change that. Kaya mas nakita naman na more effective daw ang student-centered. So, you need also to in line with that. So, yun na siya. And lastly is grounded in theory and research. Of course, you just not make your personal philosophy teaching without kaning mga educational philosophies. Diba, even sa kaning curriculum niya, we are anchored, or everything was anchored in educational philosophies. Kaya nga, tinawag siyang appreciation of the value knowledge. So, kahit pwede tayong gumawa ng sarili nating educational philosophies na yung gusto natin. That's why, it must be grounded in theory and research, specifically katong mga na-publish na kayo. Mo to strong na yung foundation of your personal philosophy. So, try to reflect or try to relate your